first light we'll be discussing today is our LED accent light, which always comes equipped with a busSTRUT ready flip fitter. To install the LED accent light, insert the fitting into the busSTRUT, turn the first knob, then turn the second knob to complete the installation on one circuit. If you need to alternate between the two available circuits of the busSTRUT single deck, all one needs to do is to uninstall the light by turning the first knob, turning the second knob, taking down, rotating 180 degrees, and reinstalling the accent light by again turning the first knob, then the second knob of the light to complete the installation on either of the two circuits.